Okay, so this week we had been talking about the different genres of a nonfiction book. And so the last one we're going to add today is a biography. And that is what we were reading earlier, The Fly High, Bessie Coleman. And we, like I said earlier in the interactive read aloud, it's about a person's life. And it's always about something important they've accomplished or an important event that has happened. And it's written by someone else. It is so important that you remember that. A biography is written by someone else. And we notice that because they keep saying Bessie Coleman instead of I wanted to go learn to fly, or I had to work in the cotton fields. So therefore, that is how I know it's a biography. Also want to take just a minute and talk to you about main idea and details. You're going to have an assignment today, and you should have already done that on Education Galaxy. But remember, the main idea is what it's mostly about, and then the details follow. So think about our book, Bessie Coleman, that we read earlier today. The main idea of these first couple pages is her early years in her life. The details is what she did in those early years. So the main idea is usually the heading or the first sentence of that paragraph or that section, and it lets me know what it's mostly about. The details, the supporting details, they just follow that. But the main idea is what it is all about. So you're going to have an assignment on that today. You may want to go back to Education Galaxy and watch that mini lesson before you do it, just to help you revisit that topic prior to that assignment.